Hello dear friends, I am Sapun. Welcome to my channel. Please watch the video till the end to learn some easy methods for the beginners. Today I am going to show you how to draw a easy and simple composition with step by step. In this video we will show you how to draw a composition with a woman with a pot. So let's watch the video. So at first we will draw a straight line to follow the proper balance. Now we will start from the head. So we will draw a oval shape following the gap and draw a top shape for the upper part of the body. Now we will complete the full body with a vase shape. Then we will complete the hands like this. Now we will complete the composition. Now our composition is ready for the color. For the color, we need to follow the light and shadow portion properly. composition is completed, and I am recommending all of you that you should try it at home. I'm sure you will enjoy the drawing. Comment me how was your experience and whether the steps were useful or not. Thank you dear friends. We will back again with another new video. Till then stay tuned and keep learning.